Hello students, welcome back to the another session of Satyanarayana Study Circle. Today we are going to learn about synthetic fibers and plastic. Cotton, silk and wool are the examples of natural fibers. Students, natural fibers example cotton, silk, wool, jute, something. Right, next students, polyester, nylon and acrylic, rayon, so on are the examples of synthetic fibers. Synthetic fiber example rayon, polyester, nylon, acrylic, so on. Students, okay? Right, next. The fibers which are not obtained from plant and animal source and made by the raw materials obtained from petroleum are called synthetic fibers. Students, this is synthetic fiber definition, most important. Right, next students, the chain of monomers, mono means small one, monomers, small identical units forming a large unit is called polymer. Friends, polymer large unit, monomer small unit. That's all. Next, students, synthetic fibers are made up of polymers. Most important, students, synthetic fibers are made up of polymers. Right. Next, students, synthetic fibers are also called artificial fibers. You know, students, synthetic fibers are also called artificial fibers, man-made fibers. Right. Next, nylon. First one. Nylon is a synthetic fiber prepared from coal, water and air. This is most important. Coal, water and air. Okay. Nylon is a synthetic fiber prepared from coal, water and air. That is most important. Next, nylon is a polymer made up of chemical units called polyamides. Right, next students. Polyamides contain carbon, C, oxygen, O and nitrogen, N. Simple, students. C, carbon, O, oxygen and nitrogen. You know, students. Okay. Polyamides contain carbon, oxygen and nitrogen. Right. Next, student. Nylon. Nylon fiber is strong, elastic and lightweight. Students, okay? Right. The first commercial production of artificial silk was achieved in USA in 1911. United States America in 1911. Year important, area important. Next, student. The first rayon factory in India was established in Kerala state in 1946 year. That is most important here. Next, students, rayon. Rayon is the only synthetic fiber obtained from plant cellulose. Plant cellulose, students. Cellulose, and so it is called cellulose fiber. Okay, right, students. Next, rayon is obtained from wood plant. Next, rayon is cheaper than silk. Friends, rayon is cheaper than silk and can be woven like silk fiber. Okay, understood? Got it? Next, absorbing water. Absorbing water makes rayon weak and cause the fiber to break. Friends, next, the process of combining two or more, here see, two or more fibers is called blending. That is one process. Next, all the winter nowadays is made up of synthetic fiber called acrylic. Acrylic also synthetic fiber. You know, students, already I told. Acrylic, which is available from 1950 year. 1950. Acrylic is also called fake. Students. Next, students, polyester is an artificial fiber made by reacting dicarboxylic acid with dihydric alcohol. This is most important, students. Okay. Next, PET. PET. You know students, PET is a polyester used for making bottles, films, wines, so on. PET bottles. Next students, PET means polyethylene, terephthalate. PVC means polyvinyl chloride students. PET separate, PVC separate. PVC pipes already you know students. Next, soft drinks are stored in PET bottles as they do not react with soft drinks. Friends, next, plastic which get deformed easily and eating and can be bent are called thermoplastics. This is most important. Next one, thermosetting. Next, the plastic which can't be soft by heating after molding are called thermosetting plastics. Examples. Next, polythene and PVC pipes. Polythene covers, PVC are the examples of thermoplastics. So, next one students, bakelite, switchboards, computer boards, next to melamine are the examples of thermosetting plastics. So, most important student 2 points. Next, plastics are poor conductors and of heat and electricity. Students, plastics are poor conductors of heat and electricity. This is most important. Next students, we should follow 4R principle. 4R principle. Students, R 4R means first one reduce, second R recycle, third R reuse, fourth R recover. 4R principles here. Reduce, recycle, reuse, recover. Most important students. Okay, right. Next, there are 60,000 types of plastics available in the world. Students, plastics take years to decompose. Avoid plastics. Compulsory, everyone. Recycling can be used to obtain materials from which the original products were made. Next students, PET, HDPE, PS can be recycled. Okay students, whereas next LDPE, PVC, polyvinyl chloride, you know students, are not recycled. Next, last one students, SPI means Society of the Plastic Industries. This is most important student, recycle symbol. This is the symbol of recycling. Number of time practice students. Recycling symbol is most important students. Right. Okay students, thank you for watching. This is Satyanarayana signing off.